Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we are in a 2013 Porsche Cayenne which has a few warning lights showing on the dashboard here. We're going to diagnose this with the iCarsoft EU Pro kit. Now the EU Pro kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So we've got the ABS light, we've got the traction light, and we've got the parking light there. We've also got this parking brake, but this is because the parking brake is applied. And we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, so we're going to click on to diagnostics. Obviously it does cover a wide range of European manufacturers, but we're just interested in Porsche right now. We're going to select our vehicle, which is the 92A 2011 onwards. Remember, we're just getting a diagnosis, so we need to go into the PSM, Porsche Stability Management. You get a quick flash, PSM in diagnosis it says here, and we're going to scroll to read DTCs. DTCs is diagnostic trouble codes. So we've got two fault codes here. We've got 011B88 and we've got front left RPM sensor, signal implausible, and then we've got 011B0C, front left speed sensor, electrical fault. So the speed sensor and the RPM sensor are the same thing. It's basically an ABS sensor which looks like it is at fault here. So what we really need to do now is go ahead and change the ABS sensor on the front left hand side. Once we've been able to do that, we can come back into the vehicle and we have an option to clear DTCs. We clear the codes and then we'll be able to get rid of all of these warning lights from the dashboard here. But that's the iCarsoft EU Pro kit, which has been able to diagnose this fault for us with relative ease. And as I say, the tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.